Yes, my people, my people. Well, today we are in Enugu State, and there is a reason for that, a good reason for that matter. We are in Enugu State because of what we are looking at. What you are looking at is International Conference Center building, which has been completed and commissioned. Today, our focus is not about the commissioning, but the importance of this international conference center, because this is the first time something like this has created a lot of tourism in southeast Nigeria. Thousands of people have visited Enugu State because of this conference center. The impact of this conference center is making Enugu State to stay at the top when you talk about tourism. At least, for sure, this month of May, not less than 5,000 people have used this international conference center. And 90% of them are not from Enugu State, and 90% of them don't live in Enugu State. Because this conference center is being used by Nigerian this conference center is being used by different organizations in Nigeria, and these organizations come and they fill it. The conference center is 5,000 capacity, and apart from this auditorium, which has 5,000 capacity, this another center here, which is just by the side, also is a hall, and the hall is also used for conferences, and the conference happen here almost every week, right? And there are shops here and so on and so forth. To me, this is the best project in Igbo land after Enugu, Anambra, and Imo International Airport. To me, I will even choose this one before airport, and I will tell you the reason. The reason is simple and clear. The International Conference Center make people to know Enugu State, not online. No, they come live to see Enugu State. We are not talking about poor people. No, we are talking about lawyers, doctors, politicians coming here for conferences. And this is how state and country grow. And you would wonder, why are they choosing Enugu State? The reason is simple. There is no other conference center as beautiful as this. Number one, there is no other conference center in Nigeria that has space like this. Number two, there is no other conference center in Nigeria that the surroundings is calm and quiet. Right? I'm going to tell you the reason why I say is the surrounding is quiet. You see how it is? This is where the conference will be happening. Now, this is the road, the closest major road to the conference center. Right? Within this area, there is no residential building here. What you are seeing here is a hospital under construction. Standard hospital. Another thing you are seeing here is a 5-star hotel under construction too. There is no unnecessary noise disturbing anybody within this environment. Do you see here is like a bush, a garden. The International Conference Center is located right in the middle of Enugu State, but the place is well planned. Everything here is owned by the government. Do you see what the house you see here? This house you see here is a temporary house. Why? This temporary house is used for the people who are constructing this hotel and who came to finish this conference center. Because some of the workers came from different states and also from different countries. There are some certain things that will be needed to be fixed that you would only get from outside, and we would need somebody who know much about it to fix it. So when those people are coming, they already have an apartment where to sleep and air condition, 24/7 electricity. Even the place is small, but it's okay for construction workers from other countries to stay. If they are here, if they are to stay 1 week, 2 weeks, or a month, this place is okay for them. So tell me, why shouldn't they choose here? The place is quiet, they have a nice parking spaces, and is okay. Now, at night, this conference center, this is how it looks. Amazing, amazing. Believe me, this is one of the biggest projects in Enugu State and also in Igbo land in general. Because based on the news we are hearing, Nigeria have decided to be pushing most of the conferences they used to have in night in Hilton Hotel and Three Cup Hotel and so on and so forth to this International Conference Center. Why? Parking space number one. Number two is the size. You know, when you are to have a big conference in a hotel, it is hard to get hotel with 5,000 auditorium. It's very, very hard. 5,000 capacity. Right? And even if you have it, it will be choked because the hotel is not built for this. Hotel is built for accommodation and whatever. And how do you stop other noise from other places from getting into the hotel? And what about the environment? Right? Now, and this is the reason also that made it that the Enugu State Governor, apart from finishing this International Conference Center, has decided to build a hotel by the side. Right? Now, not for them to have conferences within the hotel perimeter, but no, it is for them to stay here if they don't want to rent or to live or to stay in any other hotel within the Enugu State. Because there are many hotels in Enugu State, but the governor decided to build 5-star hotel because he knows that many presidents are going to use this International Conference Center. Governors, politicians from all over the world. Therefore, they need 5-star hotel. Right? And from what I see here, this is just the beginning, because the hotel is even looking bigger than the International Conference Center. Wow. So this is how it looks, and I just came here to show you this International Conference Center finished by Governor Petamba, who is doing marvelously well in Enugu State. This is the first time something like this is happening in the southeast, and everybody love it, right? So where many people or many organizations have just decided to be using here, they choose here than any other place in Nigeria. This is unbelievable. This is amazing. Believe me, this is amazing. Sometimes ago, like 2 years, 3 years, 4 years before this International Conference Center was built, I used to wonder, why is it that Nigerians are not having conferences in the southeast? But now I know they need facility. If you don't have the facility, there is no way. And Enugu State Governor Peter Mba just found out that this is what is needed. And then he brought it here, and everybody is now having the joy of it, right? And I know many people would say this international conference center is not better than airport. Of course, it's not better than airport. But after airport, this international conference center, when we talk about tourism, will come up. I'm telling you. Because of the type of people who will be using it and where they are coming from. Majority of them are coming to Enugu State for the very first time. And majority of them are not from Enugu State. And without this international conference center, maybe they would not have visited Enugu State in their life. Nigeria also is proud of having such international conference center because what used to be heard in hotels, now Nigeria will show that yes, we have auditorium made for something like this, very beautiful, that is not even in Lagos, not even in Abuja, but in one of our states. On getting here, nobody will call Nigeria a village or a poor country. Why? Because this is not the federal capital. This is not Nigerian capital. Not even the former capital of Nigeria. This is one of the states. In some African countries, you may not get conference center that is as beautiful as this. Right? But it is happening in Enugu State. Therefore, Nigerians are also proud of that by having it in Enugu State, that not everything must be in either Lagos or Abuja. No. And this is the reason sometimes, even when people think that Nigeria is not rich as a country, I don't believe them. Because if you go to countries in Africa, let's use Ghana for instance. If you go to Ghana, Ghana only has Accra as their capital and Kumasi, right? Kumasi is not beautiful at all, right? Kumasi, Enugu State is much more beautiful than Kumasi. Now, Nigeria is not like that. Nigeria has Lagos, it still have or has Abuja, Port Harcourt, Enugu, Anambra, Kano, Imo, Delta, Edo, all the states in Nigeria, Ebonyi, Abia, are beautiful. And all the states are competing within each other. Nigeria is the only state in Africa that has over 32 airports. Very soon, Nigeria will have more flights, more aircraft than any other country in Africa, including Ethiopia. Because what used to happen in the past, when we talk about transport, everybody used to, deal on these luxurious buses and mini buses, transportation. Now, majority of those people are now diverting into airline. There are aircraft landing, new aircraft landing to Nigeria every day, being purchased by individuals. Enugu State even bought 4 aircraft, 4, to commence Enugu A. 2 of them are right now in Akanugam International Airport parked, which will commence operation in the next 2 months because all the papers have been secured. Well, I don't want to talk much, but because I'm just here to show you this international conference and the impact it's making in tourism in Africa and in Enugu State in particular. Because and the reason why it is the talk of the town when you go to Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, you see and find so many people talking about this particular project, which has been completed and now on use. And also, I have also supported this project right from the first time I saw the prototype. I said, if this governor could finish this, he will be the best governor in Igbo land. And he finished it. Believe me. And this is the reason the Prizers TV is here to give him his prize. Because we give people who are doing well their prizes. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, and this is Prizers TV.